Let's talk about labs and how to work with labs, how to solve problems. Okay, this is DevOps path. Let's find getting started with Google Cloud. Here we can find this lab. Okay, let's review this one. Here is skill page. I have credits and here is labs. As you can see, we have a 1 lab, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 lab is challenge lab. So let's review challenge lab. What we need to, here is task, challenge scenario. What we need, create resources in some region and zone, which appears when we start lab, and naming team resource, nucleus, and here is example. Make sure that you create an instance template in location and allocate sizes, and here is separated task which we need to finish to get scores. So first you will create project instance and name instance in special zone, then use machine type and use image type, and then you need to create load balancer, and this is the second task. First, let's review create instance. Let's review our labs list. Here is create virtual machine. So we can see, so here is lab which give you information about how to, this is small lab, it costs only 1 credit, and here is explained how to create one instance. So here is how to define region, how to define zone, and here is small task and step-by-step instruction how to create this VM instance. Then you can see task second, where step-by-step instruction what you need to do to install Nginx web server on your instance. And here is second task when you can create, where they explain how you can create instance with Cloud Console CLI. Okay, so this is first solution for your challenge lab. Here is explained first way to create instance from web interface and from web interface CLI. So this is second variant which you can use. Here is about Cloud Shell. This is which I mentioned earlier, how we can create instances. And here is lab, how you can create load balancer, which is second task. This is the top load balancer, and here is lab where they explained all necessary steps. So what's the challenge lab? Challenge lab is test your knowledge that you can do the same task which you do before, which you learn in previous labs. So all labs I pass a lot of labs, and I strongly believe that this is way which you can follow. Trying your skills on simple lab, and then you can solve challenge lab. If you have some troubles, you can watch my videos on some other YouTube channels videos how to solve challenge lab. Almost all labs you can solve by using web interface or CLI command. Only analytics lab and machine learning labs needs to be work to solve it, might be solved in UI interface. I mean in this way, not in shell. In shell they can't be solved fully, I believe. So that is the way and the main idea. And here is when you log it in, you can find you have profile road. So let's review our road. So here is my profile. I can make it public. Make profile public, and then I can, by using this link, I can add this link to LinkedIn or other platform, and by this link user can find my my skill badges and my results, my leak. So you can see that we have rating here, we have pages here. I don't have any in this account, and I solve only one lab. So this is for now. But that's all. Happy